For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting about business, whether focused on hair bows, decorative bows for gifts, or archery bows, can be a profitable and creative endeavor. With the power of free AI tools, you can simplify and accelerate every stage of launching your business, from product design to marketing. This guide outlines a step-by-step approach to building your bow business using AI, along with prompt suggestions and recommended tools to use for each task. Step 1. Identify your niche and target market. Before you begin, define the kind of bows you want to sell. Decide whether your business will focus on fashion bows, gift wrapping bows, or sporting equipment bows. AI can assist you in analyzing market demand and trends to make a well-informed decision. Use ChatGPT to explore niche ideas and target audience profiles. Prompt: give me 5 niche ideas for a bow business, including their target customers and current online trends. Use Google Trends and AlsoAsk.com to identify what people are searching for in your chosen category. This can validate demand and help you refine your offering. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI. A business plan is crucial for setting goals, estimating costs, and understanding how to position your product in the market. AI tools like ChatGPT can generate detailed business plans based on your inputs. Prompt: create a business plan for a startup selling handmade hair bows online. Include product description, target market, pricing strategy, operations, and a basic financial forecast. This plan can be exported into a document using Google Docs or Notion for formatting, editing, and printing purposes. You can also use Canva's free business plan templates for visual polish. Step 3. Design your product line with free AI tools. For physical products like bows, design matters. If you're making decorative bows, use image generation tools such as Microsoft Designer, free, or Leonardo.ai to create visuals and mock-ups. These can be used for inspiration or even for packaging and branding materials. Prompt: generate bow designs for a trendy hair accessory line aimed at teen girls, featuring floral and pastel patterns. If your bow is a functional item, like an archery bow, use SketchUp Free or Tinkercad to create 3D models. For pattern-based products, Canva or Photopea, free Photoshop alternative, is ideal for creating printable bow templates. Step 4. Source materials and set up production. Once you have your designs, plan your production process. ChatGPT can help you draft sourcing emails or supplier vetting questions. Prompt: write a supplier inquiry email for sourcing eco-friendly ribbon and elastic bands for a handmade bow business. You can use Google Sheets to organize supplier options, compare pricing, and track inventory. If you're making bows yourself, create a simple operations guide using ChatGPT. Prompt: create a step-by-step guide for making a layered hair bow using satin ribbon and hot glue. Step 5. Create branding and logo with AI. Brand identity helps your business stand out. You can use Loca, free version, or Canva to design a logo and color palette. If you need name ideas, use ChatGPT. Prompt: suggest 10 brand names for a luxury handmade bow business that appeal to moms buying gifts for children. Use Logomaker or Canva to turn the name into a custom logo. Also create a brand style guide using ChatGPT. Prompt: write a simple brand style guide for a colorful, playful bow business aimed at girls ages 6 to 12. Step 6. Build your online store for free. You can launch your store using free platforms like Ecwid, free plan, Big Cartel, free for up to 5 products, or Gumroad, free with per-sale fees. For creating product descriptions and store content, ChatGPT is your best ally. Prompt: write a catchy product description for a handmade unicorn hair bow design for birthday parties. You can also use Canva to create promotional banners and homepage graphics. For a more custom site, use WordPress.com or Card, both with free options, for a simple storefront. Step 7. Develop a marketing plan with AI. Marketing will drive your business growth. Use ChatGPT to craft a basic marketing strategy tailored to your audience and budget. Prompt: create a marketing plan for an online bow shop selling custom gift wrappos. Include social media ideas, influencer marketing, email campaigns, and promotions. Use Buffer, Free Plan, or Meta Business Suite to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts. Canva can help create branded social media images. ChatGPT can write your posts. Prompt: write a week's worth of Instagram captions for a handmade bow shop launch week. Step 8. Create SEO-friendly content and ads. Blog posts, product listings, and ads all benefit from well-written, SEO-friendly content. ChatGPT can generate this efficiently. Prompt: write a blog post about the top 5 bow styles for girls in 2025, optimized for SEO. You can also ask for Facebook or Google Ads copy. Prompt: write 3 variations of Facebook ad for a gift bow subscription box for craft lovers. Use Google's Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest, free features available, to identify search terms you can target in your content. Step 9. Manage customer support and FAQ with AI. Prepare responses to common questions or issues using ChatGPT. Prompt: write a FAQ for a handmade bow business that covers shipping, returns, custom orders, and care instructions. You can use Talk.to or Crisp, both have free versions, to manage live chat on your website and preload it with common answers generated by ChatGPT. Step 10. Track performance and optimize using AI insights. Once your business is up and running, monitor what's working. Google Analytics, free, will show you visitor data, and you can interpret trends using ChatGPT. Prompt: explain what a bounce rate of 70% means for my product page and suggest ways to improve engagement. Use ChatGPT to help you set goals and test improvements. Prompt: list A/B test ideas for a product page selling floral gift bows. Suggest changes to pricing, CTA, and images. Conclusion: launching a bow business has never been more accessible thanks to the variety of free AI tools available. From conceptualization and design to marketing and customer service, each step can be enhanced with intelligent automation. ChatGPT serves as a reliable business assistant for planning, writing, and idea generation, while tools like Canva, Tinkercad, and Buffer help you manage visuals and outreach. With a focused niche, creative products, and AI-powered support, your bow business can be up and running quickly and efficiently. Let your creativity shine, guided by smart tools that save time and boost your chances of success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.